All right, I'm excited. I just got this in the mail a few days ago and I haven't used it yet, so I wanted to use it for the first time with you being able to watch and see how this works. It's a brand new RYOBI 40V brushless kinetic log splitter kit, and I just like the idea of having something that doesn't require gas or as much oil and maintenance or even electrical cords, so I can take this wherever I need to use it. The first thing I want to say is it came out of the box. As you see it here, there were just some pieces of cardboard that were bracing it in. Really, there wasn't any assembly at all. So this is what we've got. The cap here you have to take off. That's about the only thing that you have to do in order to get this going, I guess. This here is the battery area. I just dropped in this. I happen to have one of these 40V batteries for weed whackers, so it's nice that this came with one, but I have this as a backup as well. All right, so the instructions are pretty simple. There's just 3 steps. It says to push the on button, place a log on the splitter, and then the last step is to pull back on this lever, which they say is A, while you push this one forward in order to split it. So the idea there is that you've got both hands on the unit and there's no opportunity, or at least less opportunity, for any kind of accident to happen. All right, let's try this out. Let's first take the steps they say, pushing the on button. Pretty quiet. Let's see if it does the job. This one's got a knot in it, so it won't necessarily be easy. All right. Safety release and split. There we go. You have to pull back first and then push forward. Well, they did it. Let's try another. Okay. Fast, and it's working. Let me get a few more logs. Right, this one is quite a bit larger in diameter. Let's see if it'll still cut it. Push the on button. Yep, looks pretty good. These are pretty rotten logs. That's all I've got right now to test it on. Alright, well there you see it. That's how it did its first job. I'm happy with it so far. I have to get some fresh cut lumber that I'll be working on over the next few days, but from what I had on the stack, that was too large to fit into my solo stove or my fire ring. They did a good job. So far so good. I'll let you know how it goes as I use it, but really happy to have something portable. Feels to me like it's a little safer, certainly easier to use. I'll also show you how it stores and moves. Put that cap back on since it might be just a bit sharp. Just pick up this end. It is heavy, but with the wheels, it moves pretty easily, and then stores upright as well, so it doesn't take very much space in the garage. There you go, the RYOBI 40V brushless kinetic log splitter kit. This one came with the battery and charger. I heard that they're going to sell it without the battery and charger. I would have bought it if that was the case, since I already had a battery, but I couldn't find one. This is all I could get, and so far so good. Thanks, Home Depot.